At eto na nga, bago nagkaroon ng BFF problems na Kisses at Maymay, parang merong konting trust issue sa mga kasama. Okay? Dahil yan sa isang cheering exercise nila tinatawag na trust fall. Kung ibang girls ay confident na nagpa-fall, medyo kabado, pa-fall din siya. No? Ay, pa-fall.
Pa-fall?
Pa-fall.
Pa-fur?
Pa-fall.
Okay, stand cheer muna. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go! 3, 3! Let's go! Let's go! Focus on your flyer. And cut. Very good. Arms on top of the shoulders. Alright. Okay. And down. You have one more left. Next group. Okay. Now, sigaw muna. Ready?
Falling.
And knee. And cut. Move closer to each other. Yan. Open your up. There you go. Very good. And down. Next level. Don't release.
Falling.
Very good.
Kailangan ko ano? Full mo.
See, okay.
Kailangan.
Says.
Nanong.
Go, Kisses!
Nanong. Iwas.
Go, Kisses! Iyak lang.
Just focus on the scale.
Anytime.
Kisses!
Falling.
Galing! Alright.
Nag-focus ako.
Pakol. Ano yung title?